Dear Jess, once again the town of Tarrega in Catalunya, an hour's drive inland from Barcelona, provides the backdrop for another genuine, traditional, no-frills preparation from La Cuina Catalana, Catalan cookery by the master Josep Lladonosa. Today, pig's trotter with turnips. So if you never know what to do with turnips, or for a good dose of collagen for muscle growth, healthy skin and relief of joint pain, this classic combination is for you. Have the butcher split the trotters lengthwise and give them a good rinse. These somewhat elongated turnips seem to be prevalent around here, at least at this time of year. Use whatever variety of turnip available. The trotters are to be slowly poached in water, along with stock vegetables, onion, carrot, celery and herbs, and then cooked and served in a classic sofrito, an onion, garlic and tomato reduction, the typical Catalan flavour base used in countless preparations. A drop of the vi ranci, a Catalan fortified wine similar to dry fino sherry, which is a good substitution. Otherwise, white wine is perfectly acceptable and common. And the ingredients for the picada, the nutty paste of almonds, garlic and fried bread, added at the last moment to Catalan stews, adding texture and a final kick of flavour to the sauce. So start the trotters well in advance. They should cook gently for at least 2 hours with the stock vegetables. The strong southerly forcing me indoors at this point to get the sofrito underway. The usual procedure you'll know from other videos on peach pans: gently sweating finely chopped onion, later garlic, and then tomato pulp to be thickened ever so slowly over a really gentle heat until concentrated and jammy. The turnips are simply boiled in well salted water until just about al dente, still slightly underdone, as they'll receive further cooking later, as you'll see. At this point they're cut into nice wedges. Now transfer the trotters to the sofrito and moisten with a couple of ladles of stock and leave them to cook for 25 minutes. The pieces of turnip are floured and fried in olive oil until golden. And for the picada, the bread is toasted and then bashed up with almonds and garlic. The vi ranci, sherry or white wine, helps form a loose paste that can be easily stirred into the sauce. So in go the turnips and the picada. And the pot covered for a final 10 minutes of gentle simmering. As usual, check the seasoning before serving. Now look at that. Sublimely gelid texture of the pig's trotters, contrasted with the refreshing bite of the turnips, and all brought together with the richness and depth of the tomato sofrito, and jolly good for your skin, joints and muscles as well. So please leave me a like, as I'm informed by doing so my work will reach a larger audience, and please subscribe to follow me on my quest to catalogue all the greatest regional dishes from France, Spain and Portugal. Salud y bon profit.